Not really sure what to do today. I couldn't do that really hard trail that I wanted to do, and now I'm kind of stuck, just kind of cruising around the mountain on some really easy fire roads, which is okay, I guess. It's a little boring after a while, but it is nice to take in the view. I guess I should slow down a little and take a look around, but I've been up here so many times that you kind of get jaded. You know, it's kind of the same old, same old. You've seen it so many times. You've been down this road so many times that nothing is fresh and new anymore. I love that feeling of going down a new trail and seeing everything for the first time. Unfortunately, this trail is not going to be one of those. Yep. Here's one of those expert runs. I don't know, should I take it for a little ways? Let's try it. I could always turn back, right? Wow, this is a proper single track though. Problem is, if I go just a little too far. Wow, look at the view. I know you can't see it, but down there you can see all the trails of Hungary Valley, OHV area, you know, Gorman. I'm going to go to the end where those trees are and then possibly turn around there. I'll just keep going. See how far I can do this. Whoa. Oh, I should be riding this. Come on. There we go. Wow, I am following, it's either a coyote or a cougar, something. There's footprints going all the way down. I'm following his path. It looks like he came here pretty recently. Those look pretty fresh. Huh. Did I make it? Hey, there's a bench over here. I think I made it to where I wanted to go. I was concentrating so hard. I wasn't really paying attention to where I was on the trail. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. It's quiet. It's really, really quiet. Well, we're headed back up the trail. I decided to turn around. I think that's far enough for the first time here. But I think this is going to be fun because it's going uphill, and I like going up hills, so it should be not only much easier, I should be able to ride the whole thing, hopefully. Marble City. Just ignore the rocks. Just pretend it's dirt. There you go. Not bad. all trails be uphill. It's kind of like a ski resort, you know. Instead of bringing you to the top so you can ski down, it brings you down so you can ski up. I guess it's just the opposite of the mountain bikers. They always go to the top of the hill and do downhills. Come on. Come on. What was that, a rabbit? Come on. Come on. Get up there. Something just flew across the trail here. I couldn't see what it was. All right, I think we're out. I think this is the end of the trail. Well, that doing that single track, man, that is fun. I can't wait to get really good so I could just do them all real easy and just enjoy them. Yeah, here's the turnaround. You know, the faster you go, sometimes the further back on the bike. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. No. No. No! You gotta be kidding me. I did it again. I lost everything again. Oh, wow. I was about to comment that the better you get, the further back you have to ride, and I'm starting to hit my rear bag with my butt, and I can't go back any farther. Well, I wasn't hitting the rear bag. The bag was flipping up and hitting me in the butt. I'm telling you, I need to have somebody ride behind me as a cleanup crew. Maybe I should just hire somebody. All you gotta do is follow me. You see anything fall out of my bag, or if I forget to close my bag, stop me. All right, well, I will be looking for my stuff. I'll report back when I find it. I don't want to bore you here. You've been through this before. Yay! Here's a whole bunch of it. My gimbal, tripod, the drone controller, and another frame. I think I'm lucking out this time. I am much happier. Woo. I'm thinking, man, if I can't find anything, I'm just gonna break down and cry here. Nah. Again, it's nobody's fault but mine, you know? Can't blame it on anybody. Just having a senior moment. What can I say? Wow, I think I got everything. I found everything. Okay, wait a minute. Is it closed? Yes. I just gotta check. Don't ask me why. Okay, this is another expert trail that I think is pretty easy for a little bit, and then it gets really tough. Should I try it? You guys must think I'm nuts going down a trail I know I can't make. But I looked at this on a map, and I could tell that when it wraps around the mountain here is when it gets really tough. So I'll be turning back pretty soon, probably. Wow, it just drops off here. Well, I'm here. I might as well take a look around. Yeah. Oh, man. Look at that. That's steep, and it just keeps going down all the way. And it's pure rocks. All right, let's see what's this way. I don't want to go all the way down there. It's too far. There's a hawk. Oh no, that's not a hawk. I think it's a turkey vulture. Oh my God, is that a condor? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. That might actually be a condor. Wow, you know how rare those are? There is a condor sanctuary close by here. Wow. That's the first time I've ever seen a condor. You hear about them forever. They were just about extinct. They set aside a whole bunch of land over that way that's a condor sanctuary. He's probably just cruising around looking for food. I think I can make it back up this rocky hill here. Hopefully. See, now that is what I want to get good at. Especially going down, man. I'm getting much better going up, but I can't wrap my head around going down those things. Wow, this little trail is no joke either. Sheesh. It's much steeper than it looks. And it's completely loose. Okay. We're out. That was a kind of a neat little place to explore. I've always wanted to go down there and just to see what it was like, but until now I just didn't have the guts to do it. But I'm glad I went. I'm definitely getting more adventuresome. I could definitely do trails I couldn't do before. And I'm sure I'm a lot better than I give myself credit for. It's you know, well, it's two things. You know, like I say, I ride alone, and I'm basically a wimp. You know, I know there's some guys that are just gung-ho about stuff. I'm just not one of them. I definitely play it on the safe side. I gotta look at the map here. I really need to turn around, go back to the truck. I am out of time. Don't ride fat. No, 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 no. No! What the? Yes, it's open again. What is going on? Oh my God, how long has that been open for? I don't even remember opening it. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't have time to go back. Jeez. Yeah, I gotta go back. Oh my God. When did I open that? I just figured it out. I did not leave the bag open. Look, the zippers are together. The zipper broke. It came undone. So it wasn't me. Oh my God. How did that happen? Yep. Yep, that zipper doesn't work. So it wasn't my fault. Oh my God. I feel a little better. Just a little. I still have to go find everything. Well, let me contact my wife and let her know what's going on. Scouring the ground. I'm getting good at this. But I still need to hire that person to follow behind me. I need my own sweep team. Well, I've been finding it little by little, retracing my route. I think this is the last piece. I think I actually found everything. The problem is, I broke my gimbal. It broke in two. I think I'm still missing one frame, one mount, but that's not a big deal. I think I'm going to go a little bit further here and see if I can find it, but I can't believe this happened again. And it wasn't my fault. Well, I ended up finding everything. So, have any of you guys had a day like today? I mean, it was wild. I thought it was just going to be, you know, boring fire roads like this all day. Well, not so boring, but, you know, not much of a challenge. And yet, I had a trail I had to turn back on. I went on some single track that I did pretty good on. Almost lost the drone behind a tree. And then lost all my camera equipment again. Found it all. Had some decent riding, having fun. Doing some more exploring, and then lost it all again. Jeez. I don't know. Have any of you had a day like that? If you have, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear about it. All right, I'll see you guys later. As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.